You take what the market gives you and you go back, enjoy your life, and feed your family. You understand why you want to do this. But to a gambler, this is enticing to them, isn't it? So you have to be very careful. Some of you are approaching trading, you are approaching the charts with the heart of a gambler. And trust me, you are actually on the path of self-destruction. You cannot be having that toxic heart of gambling. If you see this as an opportunity to strike it rich, then you have a problem. Let me tell you that. You have to, therefore, learn the skill, develop the skill, so you can do it every single day. Now, if you want to make profits from the stock market, plenty of opportunities. This is not the first time this has happened. In fact, it happens many times in a year, especially with all the volatility we have now. So you are never missing out. In fact, some of you are into the stock market because of what happened during the pandemic and GameStop. Some of you have picked this up because you have seen people make big money posted online. And you see, if you come here with the wrong intentions, with the wrong motives, you will eventually lead yourself to destruction. You have to remember, you have to start with the right heart, with the right intention, with the right motives, and you will learn to triumph over this instead of allowing the stock market to destroy you. Very important, right? We do this every day. I've shown you that we can do this every day, regardless and despite the market conditions. Good, bad days, we can do this. We can find profits, extract profits from the charts every single day from the rest of our lives. So you don't covet days like that. Remember, do not covet this. You have the appropriate skills to extract profits from this. You can do this for the rest of your life. So for those who are struggling after Friday, please recenter yourself this weekend as we come back for the next, and you're all ready, because let me tell you, this is going to be big. There's so much volatility right now in the market, and we'll be ready for what's next. Let me prepare you for that. Now, where do we go from here? It's important you understand where we at, how this happened. Now, if you remember last week's video, I talked about